everyone, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change page setup in Google Docs. So I've already opened my Google Docs on my phone, and then I'm going to open the file that I want to change its page setup. Okay, here click on this icon at the bottom. And if you want to change the page setup, just click on the three dots icon at the top and you'll find this option, page setup. Okay, so here you can change the orientation, the paper size, and also the page color. So if you want to change the orientation, just click on this and you can change it into landscape. Go back, and then you can also change the paper size into other size, and you can also change the page color. For example, you want to add some color on your page into probably red, for example, and then just go back and you can see the page setup has been changed, just like that. Okay, so I think that is all. That is how you can change page setup in Google Docs on mobile. Okay, so that's it from me. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and also leave a comment if you have a question. And so don't forget to subscribe our channel for more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.